Look at it. Can you see? Check out the sky. Let's go. I was about to go, and I heard a lady saying something, and this is what we get. Up in the air. Show. Can you see the bird flying? The virtual bird. Hey, listen, I'll be talking today. I have to use scumbag zoom right now. Hope you guys can catch that. Check my hands out. It's right up there. A little further up. I'm zooming in. That's the reason it seems like we're very close to it. You see how far the thing is? Let me know right down below what you can see. The type of figures that I see. That looks like your hand. By saying peace. And 5, right? I ain't gonna leave. These are not what is he called? Fireworks, because I can't hear nothing. So I think they got some like a projector somewhere near that area. You know, that's pretty much what it is, right? Who wants this comeback zoom? Let's go for this comeback zoom. Woohoo! What is that? The biggest whale in the world. Oh, that's the whole face, right? Oh. But check out the face. Oh, that's sick. Fading away now. Like, what can you see? This looks like an eye. Does he look like an eye? if you guys can see those motifs, writings or characters, they're pretty much, all right, that's Dubai. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah, that was pretty dope, right? That was pretty dope. I think that's the end. So we gonna keep it going, baby. Yeah. Pretty dope. Check out the City of Light. Oh, let me zoom out. Oh, what the heck? Apparently they got some more at the Dubai whale, eye, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Right now, there is a outdoor show with some holograms. All right, these are not what is it called, fireworks, because you can't hear any noise. All right. Check Share Entertainment. Share Entertainment on YouTube. YouTube Share Entertainment. Alright. Alright, let's go back to the other mod then, innit? There's no more show. There is no more show. Come to Dubai, Habibi, hey, l'ami, viens à Dubaï. Oh, yeah, this guy was about to run me over or some shit. That's the second time. I don't like that. Tell him I don't like it too. What is it? Nobody wants to stop it. They don't do that. They don't like it. They don't like it. Right, guys. Leaving this area. Going home after a very beautiful long day. All right. Woohoo! Whoa. I don't know. I can't film the wheel. I can't see the wheel anymore. Damn, this thing again, man. Just go. This is the beach. Night. This is what the beach looks like at night with the wheel just round the corner from there, if you can call that around the corner. It's pretty dark, can't see much, right? But yeah, this is what the beach looks like at night. Let me stop so you can appreciate that. Alright. Check out the wheel, check out the wheel, baby. Check it out real good. The polish logo. Something unfortunate were to happen to you at the beach or the wheel, this is your 999, no, that's 998 you gotta call. They'll come and help you. Yeah, babe. The ambulance, very, very nice. I like it. Check out those wheels, man. You know what I'm saying? Comes with the wheels, man. And look at it. This guy always does that. Wee woo, wee woo, wee. Yeah, pretty dope. Pretty dope. What are you doing? Check out this tree. Check it out. Come to Dubai. I'm heading to the metro now. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, this is yours. You can wear them too and be yourself, live your life, right? I'm telling you, it's all about you. Check out that lenses. Can you see it? Check it out. Get out there, get back into nature, man. Don't let them befool you. Don't let them befool you now. Let's do it.